Follow along as the sentences are read aloud. Then read the sentence on your own. Be ready to read the sentences to your teacher. It is hard not to collide with other swimmers when doing the backstroke. The athlete hurt his backbone by jogging on concrete. I advise you to compare prices before you subscribe to this newspaper. Arnell admired the sunrise on the landscape. Don't confuse me anymore with your advice. Watching the sunrise is one of my favorite pastimes. If we do not enclose the horses in a pen, they may stampede. Justin made a mistake when he computed that problem. It would be insane to eat 100 pancakes. The fans will dispute the umpire's call.